fam, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a giant Target haul, and at the end of the video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a little special paper squishy craft. So this is gonna be really fun. You guys probably already know what's in this bag based on the title and like what you can see already, so I'm super excited for this video. So let's just get on into opening all of these Target items. First up, I picked up these really cool looking potion jars that I'm probably gonna set up in my room or something. Then I grabbed this super cute mini Poppet. I thought it was the cutest thing ever, and I got the black one. There were a bunch of different colors, but I feel like the black one's really cool. It's a square one that has 9 pops. Next up are the Real Little Shopkins little vending machine pack. This is so cute and I can't wait to open it and see what we get. Here is the back. And this is gonna be so fun. Then we have a Toy Mini Brands little mystery ball. I have actually never had one of these before, and they've been trending so much on like TikTok and stuff. And I finally got one, and I'm gonna finally open it on camera for you guys. And lastly, we got some pop tubes. These are also really fun fidgets that people have been talking about everywhere. I think these were like $3 at Target, and there comes 4 in a pack. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off by opening this black mini Poppet. So let's just get this thing open. Oh, it's actually really easy to open. It has this little ball chain to maybe hang on like your backpack or something, and it has 9 pops. So let's just test it out. That was so satisfying. Let's check the back side. Ooh, this is definitely the good side. Overall, I think this black square mini Poppet is really cool, and I love it so much. I'm definitely gonna put it on my lanyard or backpack, I'm not sure yet, to just have some little fun fidgets at school. Next, we're gonna open these pop tubes. That was pretty hard to open because it had like little wires in the middle, but this is how it looks, guys.
Now let's try to pop every single one of them.
First up is the orange one. Let's see how it pops. So let's do this part. Ta-da! Now this is the purple one. Now let's try to pop this lime green. That was so loud. And you can also like put them in like different shapes. Now last but not least, let's do this hot pink one. Whoa, that's so satisfying as well. Let's do like a little zigzag. I think these pop tubes were definitely an 8 out of 10. They were super fun and satisfying, and I really recommend you guys get these because these are super cool fidgets. Alright guys, we have 2 toys to open up next, and I think I'm gonna leave the Real Littles for the grand finale because these are so cute and I can't wait to open them. But first, let's open up the Toy Mini Brands. Hey guys, let's start opening this. I'm so excited. Okay guys, so I got this little part, and now let's open it up. Ooh, it opens up like a little orange. Okay guys, let's see what our first surprise is. Alright guys. No way, that's so cute. Do you see this? It's like a little, what does it say? It's like a little robot toy. Oh, okay, so here's the list, and let's see what it says. Oh yes, it's right here. So this is part of like the little baby toys, I guess. Let's just check off that we got the little robot thing. I'm not sure. Let's open up this one. This one looks pretty promising. 3, 2, 1. What is this? A ball? That's kind of cute, but I don't know what it is. It looks super cute in this little packaging. It looks so real. So let's just go on to the next one. All right, 3, 2, 1. OMG, guys, it's a little figurine. and I actually wanted one of these. Okay, let's see where it is in the list. Oh, I found it, guys. I found it. It's up here. Here's how it looks like. This is so cool. It's like one of those Funko Pops. Kind of looks like one. But let's open up the last toy and see what we get. 3, 2, 1. No way, we got another one of those little toys, and it's really similar to this one. Let's check them off. I think my least favorite is this ball thing that I don't even know what it is. And my favorite has to be this cool robot. I've actually like never seen this before, but it looks really cool. And then these two are like twinsies. All right, guys, let's open this bigger one. I think it's like not a toy, so let's check. Yeah, so we got, I think this is a shopping cart. Let's see. All right, guys, I'm gonna build this and be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back from building this little shopping cart. I think I did it right. I think these are supposed to go all the way down, but they're not going. But anyways, let's put all of our little toys that we got into the cart. Hopefully they fit. I don't think they will though. Let's see. Yeah, they won't fit, but this is what we got in the Mini Brands Mystery Sphere. Again, these are the toys that we got today, and I want you guys to comment down below which one was your favorite. Alright guys, last but not least, we're gonna open up the Shopkins Real Littles Mystery Pack, and it says it comes with 4 hidden surprises. So these are all the ones that we can see right now. And if you guys didn't know, I'm a huge fan of Shopkins. I actually have my own collection of past seasons, and I'll show you guys at the end of the video my little sneak peek of my collection. But if you guys want to see my whole Shopkins collection with the play sets that I have, definitely comment down below. Alright, Flow fam, you know what time it is. It's time for the shoutouts of the week. Congratulations to the winners. If you want to be included in next week's shoutouts of the week, all you have to do is just comment something nice. And here's this week's fan art winner. Congratulations to you. This is absolutely beautiful. And if you want to be featured in the next fan art video segment, all you have to do is make a video of your amazing fan art. It could be anything you want. And you could post it on either TikTok or YouTube and tag me in the video, or comment down below on this video that you posted fan art for me, and I'll totally go check out your channel. And don't worry guys, I try to screenshot every single one I see. Let's get out these Rice Krispie treats first. It comes with a little box and it looks just like this. And the little Shopkin is this little clear bag, and I think, yeah, the inside moves. And this is how it looks. It has like little textures in the little rice, and it's so cute. Whew, that was hard to open, but this is how the Shopkin looks, and it's so detailed, guys.
Last time I had Shopkins, they weren't this detailed.
And then it just comes with the Pop-Tarts box, and let's put this to the side next to the Rice Krispies. The next Shopkin we have is this little butter one, and I'll look up the names when I get the list, but it looks so cute and it looks a little sad. And here's a little box for it. Let's try to open it. This is so cute. Yes. Then we have this cute little like ice cream, and this is how it looks. It has a cute little nose sticking out of it, and it has like this little crumble bite out of it. And then here's a little box of it. It's like a little bag actually. Just gonna close it up. The next Shopkin we have is this cute little, what is this actually? This is a peanut butter cream pie. Wow, I did not know that. I thought it was like a key lime pie or something. But this is how it looks. I love the little detailing on top, and the little dollops are the cutest thing ever. This is how it looks. Very cute. Alright guys, and the last visible Shopkins that were in the pack is this blue slushie, and I actually think this is my favorite one because guys, just look at this. I feel like it's not that squishy actually, but it has a translucent top, and this is the cutest thing ever. It has the cutest face, and it has a little like bendy straw at the top, and here's a little cup for it. It just pops right open. But let's get on to the surprise ones because we're not done yet. Okay guys, so here are the blind bags, and I'm pretty sure like these are like the packages, and then this one's a Shopkin, and these two go together. So I'm pretty curious on what we're gonna get, but let's just open up these two because I've never seen like two Shopkins go together. So let's just try to open it with our hands. Actually, I'm not strong enough. Let's use some scissors. All right guys. 3, 2, 1. OMG. Yeah. OMG. I'm pretty sure this is a little like pudding. That is the cutest thing ever, guys. Look at its cute little face. And then it has like some whipped cream and like a little dollop detailing. Now we have to open up the little twin sister or brother of it. So let's see. So it's basically the exact same thing, and this one has a bite out of it, this one doesn't. So let's just see the box of them. This should be like little pudding. Yeah. OMG, look at this, guys. So we just pop it open and we could put the two little Shopkins in there. That is so cute, guys. All right, guys, this one is shaky, so I'm pretty sure it's similar to this. My prediction is it's gonna be Apple Jacks. The Applejack Shopkins. Let's see if I'm right. 3, 2, 1. No way. Did I actually guess it? Bruh. And it's so shaky! So let's see if I was right. Let's see if it's actually the Applejack cereal. 2. Yeah, it is, guys. I was right because I only knew because I've seen a bunch of these videos and I always knew that the Apple Jacks were the shaky ones. And that is it for our surprises. But we're not done, guys. We still have the special squishy at the end. I also can't forget that I was gonna show you guys a little sneak peek of my Shopkins collection. So here is like the little packages of the stuff I have. I think I got this like when it came out, so like a couple of years ago, I think. And then here is a box filled with Shopkins, guys. I have a bunch. These are like all from like season 2, season 3, season 10, I'm not really sure, but I have like the ultra rares, like the little fluffy ones, the ones with like medallions on the back. Those are pretty rare. So I'm gonna try to make this cute little blue raspberry slushie into a 2D squishy. All we're gonna need is some paper, a pencil, colors, tape, scissors, and some stuffing. First up, let's start sketching out the little Shopkin. Now just outline it. Now I'm just gonna erase all of the pencil marks. Now time to color. Now I'm just laminating. And I'm actually going to fold this piece of paper over so we can get two exact shapes when we cut it out, just so it's easier. Once we have the front and back, we're just going to tape them together and leave a little space to stuff it. Alright guys, so I finished taping all of the sides and I left a little space for the stuffing. And now I'm just gonna take a bit and start stuffing it. And here is the final squishy. I think I made the mouth a little bit too big. I think it's a little more round than oval, but this is how it looks. And this gave me a really good idea, guys. I should definitely make some Shopkins Real Littles blind bags and make like the little Shopkins with the little boxes maybe. And here it is compared to the real one. I think I did a pretty good job except for the mouth. I think it's a little too big. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to comment down below which item was your favorite out of this whole haul. Today we went shopping and I got a bunch of decorations for my videos. I got these cool little bat LED lights to put around the setup so it'll be more spooky vibes, and just a bunch of things for my room so I could probably do like a Halloween room tour. And I just have like a bunch of ideas that I literally can't wait to film, but it's only September. And again, if you guys like these types of videos, definitely comment down below so I can keep buying whatever you guys comment down below next. If you want to be earlier to my videos, make sure you have that bell on because it really helps. But anyways, I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!